How we doing, everyone? We are back again with another 2 tickets. This time we got 2 of the $20 215 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. All right, guys. Today we are working with tickets 19 and 20. We're going to get started with ticket 19 and work our way up. If you have not seen me do these before, we're looking for that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. And hopefully it's not the Arizona Special, the $1. Alright, guys, enough talking. Let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. This is ticket 19. We are looking for 48, 4, 15, 1, 12, 5, 43. Alright, let's see how we do. 32 we are going to start with. 35, 23, 11, 37. 9, 31, 6, 30, 14. Nothing there. 13, 16, 42, 26, 8. Nothing there. 27, 28, 45, 41, 34. Alright, last row. 46, 3, 47, 38, 50 in the corner. Alright, so nothing on the first one, ticket 19. We'll set that to the side. Move on to ticket 20 here. Hopefully this one does a little better. 1349, 5, my lucky 44, 3648, and 24. We're going to start it off with 28, 42, 6, 16, 4. 1, 46, 3, 30, 34. Nothing yet. 47, 32, 25, 45, 40. No. 2 rows left. 38, 37, 19, 23, 29. Last row. 50, 17, 9, 27, 12. Alright, guys, unless I missed something, it looks like today's going to be a complete bust. As always, if you would help out the channel, give this one a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not before, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good night.